swingful week for crude last week, where we have seen it coming off from the lows close to 76. We have seen it rising and closing towards $80 level. Though it is yet to break beyond this zone, can we expect the oil to reverse from here? Can we expect that this is now ready for a rise, or there is a further possibility of a drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and I do share my daily updates and targets. In fact, twice a day I share the targets for crude oil every day. Do not miss to watch it. Just subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And friends, do like, share, and comment. Your every like, share, comment, and is a great support and motivation for me. Let's start. And yes, do watch till the end. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. So do watch till the end. Now look at oil. We'll come back to the weekly charts later. Let's start with the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour, see one thing here. Oil was trading bearish here. You can see it is consolidated here enough, and it is still on the verge of a breakout. It has to break beyond $80 levels. You can very clearly see that it is still trading in the box. On the downside, 77.8, 77.3 levels have proven out to be a very good support. None of the candles closed below this. And now see what has happened here. After the drop, it has shown a recovery, but even beyond the recovery, we have to now wait for it to break beyond 80. That is going to be a first critical resistance zone. See, the moving average is crossing over here. This is signs of bullishness. It is showing bullishness here, and thus if it stays beyond 80, we can look forward to 81. And those who watch me and follow me on a daily basis, I have been expecting $81 levels very soon. Beyond 81 is where the bulls are waiting for crude oil. So let's see if it breaks beyond 81 in the coming week. That will give us a clue that whether it is going to continue its move towards 84, and can we expect a rise beyond 84 or not. Right now on the 4-hour charts, the convergence of the moving average, the rise here in the prices suggests that there is a possibility of a rise. Stochastic rising. Look at MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI almost staying flat here. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. Why do I expect a rise? I have mentioned several times. Look at this. Just divide into two. Look at the flat bottom. What has happened here? It is none of the candles closed below 77.8. That is very important. It has created a flat bottom. If you divide this into two, now can you see, if you draw a symmetry from here to here, what can you see is a rise. Now if not such a big rise, at least lower lows means at least it can try to move towards 81 or 82.5, 83 zone. And at any point of, though I do see the possibility for it to break beyond 84, and thus if it stays above this zone at 84, we are looking forward to higher highs here in crude oil. Remember what has happened here after this drop. It has been trading bullish here for days and weeks. It has traded in this bullish channel. This is the first major retracement. These were the minor retracement on the journey here. This is the first major retracement which has taken place. Now it is consolidated enough, and if it breaks beyond 84, it is definitely going to break beyond the recent terms highs at 87, and possibly we may see it breaking beyond 90 as well. Right now it is still in the bearish channel though. See, the moving averages are crossing over here, signs of bearishness. Stochastic is rising. The MACD, if you look at MACD, has crossed over at the bottom, and it is trading with divergence. It is going to lead forward to a rise here. That is what is my expectation, and that is what is confirmed with the help of charts. See, it has seen a sharp drop. If it continues its advent or its rise from here, and if it's a straight rise, once oil breaks beyond 84, certainly we are looking forward to 87, 88, and in fact 1992 zone very soon. So this is one possibility you should not ignore. RSI is rising, again signs of bullishness. And look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, the drop here, retracement, drop here, and it is not crossed over on the sell side. It is still on the buy side here. All the three moving averages are layered one over the other. Second thing is, I will wait for a breakout. Let the prices stay above $20 20 period moving averages, and that also makes $80 levels as a critical resistance zone. If in the coming week you see crude oil staying above 80, you can initiate a buying entry. We can look forward to 81, and then I will wait for it to break this zone at 83 and 84. If these two levels are taken any point of time, If in next week or next to next week, you can say now oil is reversing. Also, on the weekly charts, see this is the first lows it is created when it was on a downward journey, a good rise, then a retracement. You can see this higher lows are created here, slightly higher lows are created here. And if you connect this, you'll find almost a skewed channel but double bottom levels. And since then, we have seen a very good rise. Now, also you should notice here, it is trading in this bullish channel. It has hit the bottom. Where are the highs here? Highs are well above $90 level. So now oil crossing beyond 84, we can say now we can look forward to the near term highs here, and it can continue to rise. The stochastic has also come to the bottom here. It has come to an oversold levels. The MACD, look at MACD. I have shared several times. See, this has formed a good base here. Then this was the first rise, and it has crossed over and traded bearish. It has formed a base again, and see the lows here and here. This suggests that this is the main trend. This is a retracement. Now it is traded bullish so far. It is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. It suggests that a bullish candle, and this will start to diverge, and this is going to look upwards from here. That will be my expectation. But the coming week is going to be crucial. The direction it takes, it is going to stay for here for a while. RSI again looking upwards. Coming to the monthly. On the monthly charts, we have seen oil showing a reversal in the preceding candle. We have seen it coming from the top and closing the month at the bottom. Now, what has happened in the current month? It has started already bearish. It has achieved the lows, and now also one must notice what has happened here. It has ideally achieved the prices from where the preceding month has started, and now it is trying to show a pullback. So once it stays beyond 81 82 zone, you can say we can look forward to a rise here. Yes, in fact, it can try to achieve lower highs here, possibilities there. And then once the next month it starts, it can deliver a breakout candle. But right now, I will say it is not yet suggestive or indicative of a reversal. It has to break beyond 81 82 zone in order to confirm the rise here. Else it is still under consolidation. Else it is forming a nice formation here, 4 bullish candles, 3 bearish candles, 3 bullish candle, and trying to reverse. So right now, do not see that it is completely reversed, but the chances are there that it can try to bounce back. The moving averages running parallel, price is getting stabilized at 120-50 period moving average in this zone. Thus, it is a very good sign that a recovery can be there very soon. Stochastic is rising. Look at MACD on the monthly charts. Very important. First wave, second wave, and see how beautifully these are classically placed here. Now, once this crosses over here, I am waiting for this crossover. Whenever it crosses over, if it is this month, it has to the monthly candle has to close in green, and then the next monthly candle is going to be sharper bullish, which will make it crossover, and then it will resume the upward journey. Right now, it is just taking its time for converging here and waiting for the crossover. RSI looking flat rather. So now we have seen the charts, you've seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And before I give you the trading levels, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per diverse instruments in my Signals channel. You can definitely profit. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. You can write to me for any of your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which is offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, so that you can save your capital, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, where to buy? Very simple. You can buy here at 79.8 levels itself. Wait for 80.2, 80.65, and then I will look forward to 81. Once 81 is taken, we can expect a little aggressive bullishness where I will be looking forward to 82.4, 82.6 zone. These two levels are critical. because once it breaks beyond this, I will be looking forward to 84, and beyond 84 we are looking forward to 86 as well. If not this week, then possibly next week, but this is going to happen in a rapid pace. If once it breaks out, certainly the bulls will take over, and then we can see aggressive bullishness here on the upside beyond 86. Anyway, the sky is the limit. We can look forward to 87.5 and plus levels. 90 is there in the cards. If it continues its move on the upside in next week, next to next week also, these levels will hold good. On the downside, we now see 79.2, you can sell here. Wait for 78.6, 78.4 levels, first support level. Then 77.8. This is going to be a key level here. You have to be careful here. And then 77.3, the next key level. These are definitely very strong support levels you've seen in the last few days. Below 77.3 is where little bearishness can be expected, where we can see 76.8, 76.5, and once this zone is taken, we will look forward to a sharper drop towards 75 and 74. These are markets, anything and everything is possible right now, which the movement which appears to be bullish, it can reverse the movement in a single candle, but I do not see the possibility of a rise still there. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.